Hello and welcome to my video demonstration of the PureSleep anti-snoring mouthpiece. The PureSleep is an anti-snoring appliance and made and sold in the US. In this video I will unbox the device and I'll show you the features of the device and compare it to similar devices made in the USA. Now, PureSleep is a mandibular advancement device, or MAD for short. These advance your jaw during sleep, which opens your airway, preventing snoring. Let's open it up. Now first, let's look at the instructions. Here's a page explaining why it works. Warnings, how to prepare for the fitting, helpful hints, common mistakes, and taking care of the device, which we will go over next. Now, the device comes with a case that has holes in it here to help with the air circulation when it's not in use. Open that up. Now, the device itself has actually two sections, which is a little bit unique. And they fit together in what I call a manual system. Just like that. Now, in this way, you can adjust the amount of movement that you want for the lower jaw to extend before molding. However, once molded, the device cannot be adjusted. Now, to mold is a simple boil and bite process. First, you bring 1 to 2 quarts of water in a medium-sized pot to a low boil. And make sure both parts are snapped together in the flush position. Or if you have like an overbite or an underbite, make sure you adjust to where they're comfortable. Then, using a spatula, slowly lower the PureSleep into a pot of boiling water for 2 minutes. Bring the device out of the water with a spatula and let it sit for about 15 seconds. Then thrust your lower jaw forward as far as you can comfortably and then place the device in your mouth, and while holding your jaw forward, bite down very firmly and hold that position for the next 30 seconds. Next, remove the device from your mouth and place it under cool running tap water. You can also trim away excess material for greater comfort. It is common for your jaw to be sore for the first 1 to 5 days. Overall, the PureSleep is like the SnoreRx device, which is also made in the USA and provides jaw movement calibration. However, the difference is that you can only adjust the amount of forwardness before the device is molded. Overall, this is a quality product with nice features on an anti-snoring appliance. It is FDA cleared, as well as it has been co-invented by a dentist and an ear, nose, and throat specialist. Now, you can try the device before you buy, and it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. I hope you enjoyed this video demonstration of PureSleep.